Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a picture into placeholder in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert picture into placeholder. Go to the insert menu. Then click the picture placeholder option, and we can see here the inserted picture placeholder. Now we click the picture icon and insert a picture. Now I select this picture and click insert, and we can see we insert a picture into a placeholder very easily. You can change the picture. Click the picture icon and change the picture. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.